up, guys? So I had to come back from the front because it was getting way too hot on this paint, but now we got to deal with these roosters in the back. Somebody has a lot of roosters back here. You guys can hear them. So we're gonna be doing a paint correction on this black paint. You guys seen the swirl marks earlier, and we're gonna be using the Ultimate Compound. So I'll be using the Ultimate Compound, 6 drops of Ultimate Compound from Munguire's. So here we go. Spread out the product a little bit, and I'll show you guys the results in just a minute. Here you go. Let me zoom you guys in so I can come up on the camera. Try to zoom in a little bit. So I did about speed setting 4, and it's looking pretty good. Let me show you guys here on with the light. So here we got hopefully I'm trying to get the camera to pick it up. Come on. There it goes. So you can see the swirls right here. All this is swirls. And then we're coming up to the Ultimate Compound. And there it is, guys. Not bad, not bad. I had to move the car because it was just getting way too hot. The panel was super hot. It was beating me down. And it's always nice to work in the shade. With the correcting pad, the cutting pad, and the ultimate compound, you can get pretty good results. And on top of this, I'll be applying a sealant. You guys know I like Meguiar's, so I'll be applying Meguiar's. I also got a couple of reviews coming up, so make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and give a like if you guys like this video. Like I said, this is not perfection, but this is pretty much like 85 to 90% of defects that this panel had. Those swirl marks that we seen earlier, they're pretty much gone. Now it's just a little bit of little minor scratches on here. I'll bring you guys over here to the sun so you guys can see it better. I'm getting a little bit of sun here. So this panel I have not gotten to, and it has a ton of swirls. Right there you could kind of see the swirls right over here. So we're moving on to this side, and you can really see a more deep gloss out of this paint now. This panel does have a really mean scratch over here, so don't worry too much about that. I'm not gonna be able to get that out. This is pretty much all the way into the, this is all the way down to the panel. It's all the way deep in there, so it's a really deep scratch. You would have to get like paint and factory paint and go over it and then polish that out. Maybe for another video, but not today. Maybe these might come out. We'll see this right here. This is more like a little bit of paint transfer, I think. So we'll hit that. Alright guys, here I got a perfect example. Here we got nothing but dull paint, faded out. I got a little helper here with me. We got the little helper right down there. So there you have it guys, that's the ultimate compound with the 5-inch polish cutting pad. With the Meguiar's ultimate liquid wax. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. Go ahead and smash that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.